Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. Hey, Spirit boosters, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on in my area? Going zones, what's happening, and I'm carrying on about what? I got a small Walmart haul that I have bleached down. I'm gonna share with y'all. I'm gonna share it with you guys. And what else I want to say? I don't know. Did y'all hear on the news what's going on? I know I'm still. Oh, I'm sweating. I know I'm still talking about monkeypox now. When I went online to order my little groceries, I noticed Walmart was out of a lot of things. And then they had a little message saying that hurry and purchase this because supplies are limited. Like somebody could literally, like that happened before to me, snatch my stuff right out of my basket. They didn't have my milk I like. They didn't have a few things that I wanted to get. But remember, because of the monkeypox, draining, oozing, dripping, dropping, pus, juice, I am not buying any fresh fruits and vegetables. I did get some yams because I can peel that off. And that's kind of a hard thing right there. But other than that, I got some meat. Well, I'll show you guys. But y'all heard about Brittney Griner got 9 years. She was looking so sad. I ain't trying to go to Russia. I don't know why folks want to go to Russia. Got Putin over there. I ain't thinking about going to Russia. How about y'all? But anyway, I'm reporting some prepper news, some health news. That's be safe out there. You see I got my little mask right here. I'm about to go out for a few minutes. I gotta go pick up my haul from Home Depot. I got me some soil or some potting mix and stuff for my plants that I'm going to be repotting. If you want to see that exciting video, go to my gardening channel. Also, I have I'm doing Granny Chronicles. I'm making stories over on my crafting channel. If y'all want to hear a story during the Halloween or holiday, whatever, I'm just doing it with my craft. Some things I'm going to have stories to go with while I'm crafting. So if you enjoy Miss JENITA telling stories, come on over to the crafting channel. Today I'm going to put up, what's today? It's the 4th. Today I'm going to put up another story that I crafted something. I'm going to use it as a prop in the story. So come on through if you want to hear the story. It's already a story over there. You guys can check it out now if you want. I have to sneeze. Hold up. Excuse me. Black pepper. But anyway, y'all go on over there, check out the crafting channel for a story. Gardening channel if you want to see how my plants are thriving and the different techniques I'm using to get my plants to grow. It's all experimental, and I'm sharing my experiences on this channel. Like, hey, I know what I wanted to say about that Brittney Griner thing. All money ain't good money, because they say she went over there because the money was good. But like on this channel, all money ain't good money. I ain't selling my soul just because this channel is monetized. And I ain't got no strikes. I ain't got no restrictions, because my videos are safe and facts. And I get my facts from the news and articles, some stuff social media, and then I just share my opinion. Y'all share y'all opinion. And apparently all the folks that didn't like the facts have left the channel. But that's okay, because all money ain't good money. If I gotta give up my opinion and give up speaking facts, it ain't worth the dollar. So YouTube won't give me $5 and I ain't gonna make no money for a whole year. The way it's set up, If I ain't gonna be making no money, it's gonna take me a year to make $100, then so be it. Cause all money ain't good money. Cause I ain't going to Russia to make no big money, and I ain't selling my soul on YouTube to make no big money. So if that's what it takes, I ain't doing it. I'm gonna come on here and be my regular self like I always be, speaking truth, being silly, singing a song, spirit boosting time, spirit boosting time. It's always gonna be spirit boosting time on this channel, crafting channel, and my gardening channel. And if y'all loving spirit boosting time, visit all 3 channels. The ones that got the good, the nerve, brave, what did I say? Nuts, bravery, guts, courage. Keep on staying tuned, and peace to you. Now I'm about to turn around and let y'all see the grocery haul I got online, and take it from there. Have a great day. Okay, Spirit Boosters, here is my online Wally Mart grocery haul. Let's see. I got 2 bags of tilapia. One was supposed to be Swahi, but they were out of it. So I have 2 2-pound bags of great value tilapia. I think they were $9. Nice fresh looking fish. And by the way, I'm gonna broil my fish or grill whatever in pineapple juice and pineapple tiblets, whatever I'm gonna do. That's how I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna grill it, get that burnt crust on there, and my food gonna be delicious. And also I grill my chicken. Back there I got a pack of chicken wings. I thought they was $13, but they gave me a $15.70-something pack of Sanders Farm chicken wings. They big fat plump chicken leg wings, excuse me. So I got that, and I got 2 packs of Tyson Cornish hens, but they was cheaper than where I was trying to get them from. Then I got the sweet potatoes, and I got 3 things of eggs. I got an 18 pack. I was supposed to got 2 of those, but they only had 1. Then one of my eggs cracked. Then I got 2 12-pack eggs. You just can't see the other one. Then my husband used his snacks, because y'all know Miss JENITA is not eating salt at this time. My husband got him some delicious Ruffle regular original, and that is a 13-ounce bag. That's a 13-ounce bag is a big fat bag. Now the Fritos, the biggest they come is 9 1/4 ounce. He loved Fritos. They didn't have his chili Fritos. He liked the chili Fritos too, because he liked to make that chili Fritos. And my husband, he also liked peanuts. So he got this 2-pound jar of Planters peanuts. Dry roasted peanuts. Peanuts so good. I didn't mess up my teeth. Things happen, but if I had my teeth, y'all, peanuts are delicious. Well, I could eat peanut butter. But anyway, he got him some some peanuts, potato chips, and chips, corn chips. He liked these snacks. I got to make him blueberry muffins. He liked muffins too. Y'all remember I used to tell you my husband he liked to eat some muffins. And I got this little lace right here. This for my crafting channel, y'all. Some trim. It's pretty white trim. That's my crafting channel. Remember, I'm doing stories on my crafting channel. If y'all enjoy any of Miss JENITA's stories, please come and join me over on the crafting channel. And remember the gardening channel, where I'm taking care of my gardening. I'm about to wrap this up. Remember to stay safe in the street. Wear your mask, face gear, long sleeve, long pants. The infectious disease doctors say do not be going out in those short shorts, because when you sit on furniture or smear across something, you can get infected with the monkey pop. So y'all be careful. This is it. Stay in survival mode. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.